Enjoy a fulfilling, connected, and joyful life. See your
Another
loved
fun
ones
week.
thrive. It is safe.
It's been a hurry, mate.
Reliable and affordable. Call Aussie Windscreens on 6282
You go, mate. You go.
Visit Aussie
Oh, good work.
No right turn. Fuck wet.
Now indicator, straight through a stop sign.
Introducing Diabetes Australia's new national membership, Diabetes United Essential. So Essential, it's free. Get regular
Oh wow.
and expert
Look at that.
Connect with Australia's largest diabetes
And bus there
Diabetes Australia.
has destroyed the top of it. Look at it, it's falling apart. B50 6XX.
Fucking idiot.
Far out.
Fuck wet. Right.
Can't do that, sir.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
tirelessly towards the best unique outcome for you and your family. Chamberlain's look at all options, including mediation, collaboration, and arbitration. From property to parenting, litigation to child support, 15-minute complimentary phone consult. Call Chamberlain's Law Firm.
Need a bed that adjusts to your lifestyle? A bed that doubles as an office space.
Something that I saw yesterday. Really? Yeah. I saw a car park faux pas that I'm actually going to name where it
What a
happened.
wanker.
I genuinely hope the person that did it is listening. All right. And
Hey, that's weird as hell. I don't know who the guy beeped at. Can't do you to and put your flash your lights.
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a knack for making things better.
What an idiot. Absolute idiot. Cuts a truck off over a divider like that. Moron. God, that thing sounds terrible. The fuck do you want to go over there? Oh God, look, I'm in a good mood. Fuck me. The Ford Ranger driver actually said thank you to me.
Yeah, very much so.
That's terrible.
Yeah,
1 minute later.
yeah.
Oh no, you can't turn right there. What are you doing, son? It's a goddamn no right turn. Oh no. Look at that. The Ranger Danger I let him in, he said thank you, and then he goes through a no right turn. Ah, they just can't help themselves. What are you doing? Get the fuck out of the way. 110 zone. No fucking way. He's owned well.
Well, you won't give me any details.
My face
I don't know who you are.
You can't publish stuff with anybody's image on it without their consent.
Well,
You know that, I know that.
Well, you're in a public place. I can do what I want in a public place.
Well, you can sit with their video and stuff, you know, you can't do that.
Yeah, you can. I'm going to go out here on the... I mean, I'll probably be out on the road on the other side and then take a video.
What a fucking cock. Decides to go flying down the fucking bus lane. Yep. You're busted.
Oh, check that one out, Scotty.
It's amazing. Oh, an old Ford XC.
자, 코로나. It's even got the blonde at the back. Original wheels. Old campervan.
What a lad. Take that one for Scotty. Old cup. There's one for Scotty.
3.
Whoop, Mr. Root. Yep, good ruse, give way.